Good morning, India. This is RJ Raju from Odisha. Jai Jagannath. Today, I have an opportunity to talk about a special program, a special episode that is National Broadcasting Day 2021. National Broadcasting Day 2021. India's first ever radio broadcast went on air on this day in 1927, when the country attained independence from the British Raj. There were 6 radio stations: Delhi, Bombay, Calcutta, Madras, Tiruchirappalli and Lucknow. Radio broadcasting began in India under British rule in 1922 with programs by the Bombay Presidency Radio Club. Later in 1927, the India Broadcasting Company (IBC), Indian Broadcasting Company, was made a private entity and granted permission to operate 2 radio stations. Indian Broadcasting Company (IBC) went into liquidation on 1st March 1930, following which the government took over the broadcasting facilities and started the Indian State Broadcasting Service (ISBS) on 1st April 1930 on an experimental basis for 2 years. The history of National Broadcasting Day I have already told to you. Radio broadcasting began in India under British rule in 1922 with programs by the Bombay Presidency Radio Club. Later in 1927, the Indian Broadcasting Company (IBC) was made a private entity and granted permission to operate 2 radio stations. In the broadcasting system, All India Radio is taking part a vital role in the whole world. Let's know the present scenario of All India Radio. All India Radio (AIR). All India Radio has been officially known since 1956 as Akashvani. It has the largest radio network in the world and one of the largest broadcasting organizations in the world in terms of number of languages broadcast. All India Radio (AIR) now comprises 420 stations across the country, reaching nearly 92% of the area and 99% of the total population, according to the reports. All India Radio is owned by Prasar Bharati. All India Radio is owned by Prasar Bharati, which is a statutory autonomous body set up by an Act of Parliament and comprises the Doordarshan television network. Here is the another character in broadcasting system, that is Doordarshan. Private radio began in India in 1993 with a daily 2 hours slot on the FM channels in Delhi and Mumbai. Almost 8 years later, the first phase of the private sector's participation in the radio broadcasting industry began with the government conducting open auctions for the radio license. There are so many things we have to learn about the broadcasting systems. Here is the little knowledge about the broadcasting system. Nowadays, social media is taking a vital part for broadcasting. WhatsApp broadcasting is a very good medium to reach a mass of people, reach a group of people. When we have no time to talk with our friends, then we have to make a broadcast every day. Just in the morning time, make a broadcast to your WhatsApp contacts. Just say hi, good morning. Then you can connect it with all your friends, relatives, family members, beloved one. So, the broadcasting system has a great value in our life, in everyone's life. On this special day, I wish you from the center of my heart a happy National Broadcasting Day. Thank you so much. Love you all. Listen. Before disconnecting, I have a request to all of you. On this pandemic situation, kindly follow the COVID guidelines and wear mask, maintain physical distance and wash your hand frequently. Stay fit. Love you all once again. Thank you so much. Tata, goodbye.